is like a starter pack for a Pinterest girl. Because her profile, I'm like completely like ऐसा नहीं कि सिर्फ profile या her outfits, it's her room also.
Yeah.
Like whatever she posts, it's so Pinteresty. तो मैं वही, what is a starter pack for you according to you?
Go on Pinterest, find your aesthetic, and top 5 things from that aesthetic maybe. So for me, like I don't stick to one particular aesthetic की मतलब ये है तो exactly this head to toe, maybe some days, but overall I feel like कि you pick things from different things and then make that, you know, your personality. तो I was telling this to someone the other day कि आपको aesthetic होना है तो white walls होनी चाहिए. मैं मेरा घर भी ढूंढ रही थी. When I was searching for an apartment in Bombay, my conditions were white house, एकदम white walls होनी चाहिए, सनलाइट आनी चाहिए या तो सनराइज या सनसेट, प्रेफरेबली सनसेट गोल्डन आवर होना चाहिए, और एकदम या तो वुडन फ्लोरिंग होनी चाहिए या कुछ ऐसा अमेनिटीज होनी चाहिए ताकि मैं मेरा जिम गर्ली एरा कर पाऊँ. तो ऑल दीज थिंग्स, इट्स सो वियर्ड एंड द ब्रोकर्स वर लाइक, मैडम
ये मुंबई है,
आप क्या ढूंढना चाह रहे हो. लकीली आई फाउंड माई हाउस, देन आई लाइक बिल्ड इट फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, नारा स्मिथ वाइब्स, पूरा स्क्रैच से बना दिया मैंने. बट हाँ,
but then you moved out.
No.
अच्छा, अभी वहीं पे you are staying? It's the same place you are staying अभी?
No, yeah, I moved. It's been an year of me shifting back to the place I'm currently living in. Don't reveal my location, please.
नहीं, अगर आप बोल भी देते मैं बीप कर देती. But हाँ, so here what I'm asking कि जैसे एक starter pack, जैसे कि according to you, जैसे अभी currently Bose, then there is a particular kind of font, एकदम full cursive vibe, है ना, handwritten, ऐसा. It's
like a very, let's say like aesthetic is hyper feminine, girly. So I'm assuming
cute mugs,
Stanley or Stanley Duke. I have a real Stanley, but हाँ, Duke भी equally good है. मुझे ले लेना चाहिए था Duke, पता नहीं क्यों मैंने 4,000 रुपए वो Stanley में डाले for the vibes only. तो ऐसे pink, blush baby-ish pink, not the jhatak pink.
Yes.
Obviously, you can have cute bows, the big bow, H&M wala. Yeah, that would be there. What else? Gold jewelry or like silver jewelry or any jewelry with like initials or bow or something like that. हाँ, उसी cursive. So I have this one like pendant with M written on it, but like a very cursive M. So something like that is cute. Cute cutlery. Anything cute. Anything that just looks cute. It is okay if it doesn't have a purpose or functionality. It's fine. We can do things for vibes only. Yeah. Half the things in my house
and
are just there. Pastels, white, butter yellow, baby blue.
Baby blue,
matcha green.
Matcha green, matcha green. But baby blue है first time सुन रही हूँ.
Baby blue is, it's like a lighter version of blue, like a more prettier blue, I feel.
Pretty blue.
Like, no, this is not exactly baby blue.
This is thoda
this
light
is
navy blue.
Yeah. No, it's like a very lighter, pastely.
Got it. But then मेरे को ऐसा लगता है, like I think perception of Pinterest vibe is this right now, currently. कि यही है. But I feel that there are a lot of things. Like you can go एकदम अब तो like brat coded is also now
that's what I said.
Aesthetic.
Yeah. In a very recent, sorry, you were saying something.
हाँ, मैं यही कह रही थी कि there are different kind of aesthetic, but लोगों को वो लगता है कि this is the Pinterest vibe. But if somebody who goes rustic or somebody who's going like gamer girl vibe, तो वो उसको
e-boy, e-girl,
Pinterest मानना ही नहीं है उसको.
नहीं. I recently did an interview and I said the same thing, that like your aesthetic, your Pinteresty aesthetic can be whatever you choose. It can be desi core. People, you know, those jhumkas and kajal, bindi. So that's So that's my aesthetic during festive season. So festive season mein I'm a very elegant, desi core vibe. But on Halloween I have a different aesthetic. Then on some other like thing I have a different aesthetic. So nahi, I don't feel. And even on Pinterest, bro, if you go and if you type something, even if you type like a gamer boy aesthetic or gamer girl aesthetic, it will pop up, and you will feel like you're more like, I don't know, attracted towards that aesthetic. Then it can be your aesthetic. Yeah,
मेरा था यार gamer girl aesthetic, फिर मैंने gaming छोड़ दी तो अभी मेरा कोई aesthetic है नहीं, मैं ढूंढ रही हूँ. हाँ, जैसे लोगों से मेरा अपना वजूद, like what is that, my existential crisis. Yeah, I'm looking for my identity. I'm looking for my Pinterest vibe now. If you like the clip, make sure you watch the full podcast right here, or for more clips, click here.